So I'm just here to give you guys a bit of an update since we've spent the last couple of weeks in Cairns, really enjoying our time. We went croc spotting. We've done some pet sitting. How you doing, Mufasa? Feel better now?
Nice.
It's Robbie. Hey. And we have spent the last 2 days in Port Douglas, which is just north of Cairns. On our way to Port Douglas, we stopped at Hartley's Creek Falls, which is absolutely beautiful. It's a 4K return walk. The falls at the very end are just beautiful. There's a nice little swimming pool, and yeah, we really enjoyed that. Ryan's just filling up the water now.
It works.
Excellent. Hose is long enough.
Just about.
We're just in Mossman now, and today we're on our way up to the Daintree. We're going to stay at the Noah Beach campgrounds, which is in the Daintree Rainforest National Park. And I have no idea what we're going to be doing. We'll just figure it out as we go, as usual. Woohoo!
Just stop in wherever we want. And
yeah. How much it's going to cost.
I think it's 47. Hello. Yeah, not too bad. Yes, please.
So, you know we're closing at 8 PM tonight?
Yeah, we'll come back
In a couple of days.
Yeah.
44. So just get that safely return trip back and just head on down behind that vehicle.
Perfect,
Thank
thank you.
you.
See you later.
How much was it?
47.
Nice slow ferry. Rainforest by the beach. Now this is Cape Kimberley here. So what island's that then?
Question. Snapper Island.
Right.
It's a national park.
So pretty. It's chippy sandwich time.
Where would we be without these?
Okay. So we just finished up at the Discovery Centre, the Daintree Discovery Centre, and it is so packed there. We didn't do any of the activities.
So there's a boardwalk you can do, and they've got all these different exhibits in it. There's like a dinosaur display, and I think there's an area where you can see snakes, and a big 23-metre tower that you can see the top of the rainforest canopy, and like a holographic 3D cinema thing.
If you're not into crowds, probably don't bother.
We needed the toilet, otherwise we won't skip it.
Yeah. Now we're on to Cow Bay, and well, that's the direction we're heading in. If we see anything interesting, we'll stop, but otherwise we're just going to head straight there. The water is so appealing, but obviously definitely cannot swim there at all. We just passed by Hutchinson's Creek too, and also cannot swim there. There's a couple people swimming in there, but it is what it is. Now right now we're heading off to the Daintree Ice Cream Company. We were going to give it a miss. Well, I was thinking about giving it a miss because I'm vegan, but apparently they do vegan ice cream here, so we're going to have a look and see if that information is correct. Hopefully it is.
I think she said also gluten-free ice cream.
Okay, there you go.
Why would there be gluten in ice cream?
Here we are.
Yeah, it's on. We have dates and plum very often.
Right.
So
So
it's like pretty awesome.
get it while it's here.
Yeah.
Nice. How is it?
Really
That's
nice.
the butterscotchy one.
This is the butterscotchy one. Yeah, that's probably butterscotch.
Do you have a favourite?
Plum.
Plum?
Sure. I'll try and keep it that much to the end. Like.
Yeah, I think my favourite's a plum as well. Oh, my feet are burning. Such a shame. The water is so beautiful, but you definitely can't swim here. I can't even see the top of the mountain today, all the clouds. I think that's a little tour boat over there for croc spotting. Well, we just pulled up to our we just pulled up to our campsite at Noah Beach. We're in campsite number 2. Oh, there's a little walkway there. I didn't see that.
Yeah,
The beach is right there. Cool. This is a view out the back window. I can hear the ocean.
It's nice.
Yeah. We're just walking down to the beach, down this little walkway from our campsite. It's just direct, and it's only maybe like 50 meters or so. This is gorgeous. So this is just a standard national park campground, like $14 a night, $7 a person or something like that.
Not bad.
Nope. Waiting for the sunrise. Big black cloud over there.
Soon to be illuminated.
Soon to be what?
Illuminated.
Yeah, hopefully. Well, we've just pulled up next before the 4-wheel drive track at Imogene Creek after an insanely beautiful drive. So we're just heading down to the creek now.
It's so inviting.
It does. Too bad, the Crocs. So before you get to the creek, there's a little path off to your left. If you take that little one, it'll take you down to the swimming hole. So we're just heading down there now. So this is just a little further up the creek. Oh. Yeah, we can swim here. Yeah, that's much more appealing.
What?
Much more appealing.
Isn't it?
Yeah, so the river's actually blocked off from crocodiles on both sides. The big rock wall there, and then there's another one down here. I'll show you. Swimming pool oasis. Look. Yeah, a little square. Isn't that pretty? jumping in?
Yeah.
Did you touch the bottom?
No. That's nice. So close.
You're far off.
I'll wait a wee second for you to come out.
Okay. Pardon?
I guess I'll have to go then.
Touch that branch there.
No. So clear.
Little fishy. That swim down near Imogen Creek was really, really nice. We have just stopped on the side of the road here because we saw a little path. Don't know where it goes to, but we're out exploring. It probably just goes to the beach, I guess. You know, some pretty epic trees in here. Around 200 meters and we're almost at the beach. Smell the salt in the air. Yeah. Ah! I got stuck on a bush. Is it still in my hair? Feels like it is.
Turn right. Yeah.
Thanks.
It's just one of those big plants.
Wow. It's windy. Rainforest is so thick here, it's hard to believe that the ocean's just right there. Well, we completed our little adventure walk and just also completed 2 touristy hotspots. So they're 2 boardwalks. The shorter one is Gulgi, or Kulki as it's spelt, and that's a very short walk. It's what, like 500 meters or something, if that. And then we also did the Duguji boardwalk, which is further in towards Cape Tribulation, and that one is a 1.2k circuit. We're just stopping now at Mason's Cafe, so it's one of the other places where you can swim, as there's a swimming hole at the back of the cafe. It's $1 as far as I'm aware, so we'll go in now and have a look and see what the go is.
And probably buy something.
Yeah, and swim. Still costs $1. Let's get in. That's so cute. Alright, get in.
No time like the present.
phone.
What to do if someone's in our spot?
Rage. Our washing's out, that would be stupid.
Right. Put the towel onto the washing line, it's already hanging up.
Amazing.
Just like coming home in real life.
Well, we're back at the campsite now. Our swim was beautiful. Definitely recommend heading to Mason's swimming hole. It's a really small space, so if you can get there kind of at a time when you think heaps of people will be eating, so preferably between 12:30, 1 o'clock, I think that's a really good time because there's less people in the water. The area around the swimming hole is not big, so there's not a lot of room for people to be standing around and stuff, so you're either in the water or completely out, just back at the cafe. The chips are really nice at the cafe. That's all we ate. Chips were fantastic. Didn't really have high expectations, but they were really good. Anyway, we're just going to spend the rest of the afternoon chilling out here, probably do a bit of reading, head down to the beach for a look, and just relax and enjoy being in the rainforest and the quiet serenity. We'll catch you back here tomorrow. Well, it's now the next day and we've packed up our camp this morning. The weather's a little iffy. It did sprinkle a little bit earlier, but the sun's out now. We just stopped in Cape Trib. There's phone signal there to have a look and kind of plan out what we're doing next. So we're heading slowly to Cooktown. I don't know how many days that's going to take, but we'll just take it slow and figure it out. Thank you. We just made a quick little stop here so I can get some cool pics because the rainforest here is so close to the beach. Like, that's the water right there. Probably can't see it. But yeah, we've really enjoyed our time here on the Daintree. Looking forward to the next part. It's so different to what I was expecting. I had been up close to this area before, but and Ryan has been here before, but I didn't realize how beautiful it was. So technically, to be able to get to Cooktown from here, like, it's not that far. All we'd have to do is go north. However, we're not in a 4-wheel drive, we're in a 2-wheel drive. It's a big Sprinter. So we can't really take that track. That's called the Bloomfield track, very notorious for 4-wheel driving. So we're not going to take that road. We're going to head back through Mossman, fill up some water, possibly get some more groceries. I'm not sure. We'll just check out what we've got left. And yeah, start heading inland and north up towards Cooktown.